Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp22 Excel chapter 4 hands-on exercise ToyStore. Basically this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. So at start of the instruction, you can see the project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well and get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this, you will understand this assignment well, and this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. Okay, then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project, and we have a total of 22 steps to get this assignment done. In this video, I am not only going to solve these steps or questions for you, I am also going to make you learn Microsoft Excel as well. So if you want to do this assignment or if you want to learn Microsoft Excel, then you are supposed to watch this complete video and follow me step by step. So now let's start with step number 1 of the assignment. That is saying start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 4 hands-on exercise ToyStore. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So let me show you this Excel workbook. I have already downloaded this one, and you can download this from your course or Pearson dashboard. This is the Excel workbook that we're going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we're going to make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So your first task in this assignment is to download and open this Excel workbook. That is all about step number 1 or question number 1 of the assignment. That is just saying that download and open this Excel workbook. Okay, there is nothing else to solve in step number 1. That's where we gonna move to next step of the assignment, that is step number 2. You would like to set page breaks on the June total worksheet to allow the document to print without splitting transaction dates. Modify the existing page breaks to ensure that 13th of June and 24th of June transaction date prints on same page. So let me go to view tab, and here you can see page break preview. So now here you can see that 13th of June and 24th of June should be 13th of June and 24th of June should be on same page. Okay, so we are supposed to, you can see there are 2 dates of June that are on page 1, but 24th of June is on page 2. So we will modify this page break, we will drag it to up. Now you can see all the June dates. Okay, all the June dates, 13th of June date is on the same page as 24th of June. Okay, that is all about step number 2. We are supposed to modify the page break so that 13th of June and 24th of June should be on same page. So you can see the 13th of June and 24th of June are on same page, that is page 2. So now click on normal view. Okay, so that is all about step number 2. Now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 3. Create a copy of the June total worksheet and name it June 1st total, this one, June 1st total. So here right click on that and click move or copy. Click create a copy and you can move this to the end, and this is copy of this June total worksheet. And now we are supposed to rename this. So right click on that and click rename and write the name here, that is June 1st total, and press enter. So we have renamed the date, that is June 1st total. Okay, that is all about step number 3. Now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 4. Return to the June total worksheet. When printed, you would like the titles to be preserved. Set the titles in row 5 and column AB to repeat when printed. Additionally, set the print order to print over then down. So let me go to the workbook, then go to June total worksheet, click on page layout. Here you can see print titles. Click that box. So now we are supposed to print the titles. So first we are supposed to select the rows to repeat at top. So which rows we want to repeat? It is given in the instruction, that is row 5 here. Okay. So I will simply select row 5 here. Okay. Now columns to repeat at left. Column A and B to repeat. So we will select column A and B. Okay. Now page order should be print over then down. So now you can see print over then down is here. So we will select this option that is saying print over then down and click OK. So we have set the title to repeat. Okay, and that is all about step number 4 of the assignment, where we were supposed to select row 5 and column AB to be preserved. Okay, that is all about step number 4. Now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 5. You would like to convert the data set to a table in order to add aggregation, structured references, and table style. Convert the range A5 up to K110 to a table. Be sure to include column labels. Name the table's total and apply table style light yellow, table style light 19. So click anywhere into this data and click Insert tab. And here you can see the convert table. So make sure that this range A5 up to K110 should be selected. So now you can see A5 up to K110 should be selected. So you can see that we have selected the range A5 up to K110 as given into the instruction. Okay. Then we are supposed to make sure that our table should include the labels. So you can see this, my table has headers, so you should check the box for this and click OK. So now we have converted the data into a table. Okay, and my table has header as well. Now we are supposed to change the style of the table, that should be light yellow, table style light 19. So go to design tab, go to style, and that should be light yellow, table style light 19, this one. So light yellow, table style light 19, this is the table style that we are supposed to use. So I have applied that style to this one, light yellow, table style light 19. Okay. So now we are supposed to do next step of the assignment, that is step number 6. You don't need the sales first column. To reduce the size of data set, you will remove the column, delete the sales first column from the table. So now you can see that we have this one, sales first column, and we don't need this column into the table. So we are supposed to remove this column. So right click on that and click delete. And here you can see table column. Select this one and you can see that we have deleted the sales first column from the table, because instruction is saying that we don't need that table column, that is sales first column. So we have deleted that sales first column table from the table, and that is all about step number 6. Now we are supposed to do next step of the assignment, that is step number 7. You need to document the rebate information and total purchase price. To do so, you will add 2 new columns to the data. The type rebate in cell K5 and OVD in cell KL5. Set the width of column I up to J to auto fit. So we will type this rebate in cell K5 first to add a new table column. K5 is here, and type rebate and press enter. So now you can see that we have added a new column to the table, that is rebate. Now we are supposed to add another column, that is OVD. Okay, in L5 type OVD, and another table column will be added to the table. You can see that we have added rebate and OVD column to the table. Now we will set the width of column I to J to auto fit, I up to J here. Okay, go to home tab, go to formats and click auto fit column width, this one. Okay, and that is all about step number 7. Okay, now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 8. You notice you are missing records 2024 068 and 2024 105. You can see we have 067, but we don't have 068. So that is missing, and then 104 is given, but 105 is not given. Then we are inside a row in the table at row 73 and row 112. Enter the following records. So we are supposed to add 2 records into row 73 and row 112. So go to row 37, select this one, right click on that and click insert. So now you can see that we have added a new row, that is row 73. So we are supposed to add this record to row 73. So I will simply copy from here and I will paste there. So this one, press tab, then this one, paste it here and press tab. That is the first. Okay, this one, and press tab. Then this one, collectibles, that is the department, paste it here and press tab. Then 1014. Okay, I am just copying from here and pasting into the table at row 73, because we are supposed to add 2 records at row 73 and row 112. So I am just copying the data from here and I am pasting into the worksheet. Okay, you can type there as well, but I am just copying and pasting. So you can either type or you can copy and paste like me, and that will be easy for you as well. Okay, so last one is the $16. Okay, this one. Okay, now we are supposed to add another record here in row 112. So I will again copy from here and I will paste into the workbook. One second. This one. Okay, you can see another row has been added to the table, that is row 112. So you can copy from here and you can paste into the table. Other way, you can simply type there as well. Okay, so I think copying and pasting it is easy for you. So just copy from here and paste it in the worksheet at row 112. Okay, okay, so then this one, okay, then store unit, store credit, then promotion, then 1, then 13.49. Okay, so you can see that I have added both records into the table. So we were supposed to add the record, so I have added. Okay, so now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 9. You notice there are duplicates values in the table that needs to be removed. Remove all duplicates value from the total table. Click anywhere into the table, go to table design and click remove duplicates. You should make sure that all of these columns should be selected. Click OK. Two duplicates values found and removed. So Excel found two duplicate values and Excel has removed those two duplicates values. Click OK. And that is all about step number 9. Now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 10. To calculate rebate amount, you will create an if function with structure reference in column K. Enter an if statement in cell K5, K6 to determine the customer rebate. If the values in cell A6 is equal to promotion, the customer receives a 10% rebate on the total purchase. Purchase price plus quantity plus multiplied by rebate. If they are not eligible, the function should return 0. Be sure to use the appropriate structure reference and then use the fill handler to copy the function down to completing the column. Okay. So we will go to cell K6 here and we are supposed to use an if function. Type equal sign, type if. So if function will appear there, double click on that and click function symbol to enter the function arguments. Okay. So now we are supposed to check if trans type, this one, if trans type, one second, if trans type is equal to promotion, if this is equal to promotion, if this is true, then our rebate amount will be purchase price. Purchase price is given here. Okay. Multiply this by quantity and rebate. Quantity is given here. Okay. And we will multiply this by the rebate amount that is given in cell D3. Okay. But make sure you should use the absolute reference for cell D3. So let me repeat it again. We are using an if function. First of all, we are checking if the trans type is equal to promotion. If that is true, then our rebate will be equal to purchase price multiplied by quantity multiplied by D3. Otherwise, this will be equal to 0. So we got the rebate amount. Okay. And that is all about step number 10. Okay, so we have completed 10 steps of this assignment so far, and let me show you the final version for this assignment where you will apply the remaining steps, then you will get a final version of the assignment like this. So I have completed this assignment many times. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. Thank you so much.